Hi, my name's Sam, and your name is?
Maija.
And what are we gonna build today?
A den.
We're gonna build a den. So we're gonna build a den, really simple, just out of cardboard boxes, and some masking tape, scissors, and a Stanley knife. So let's get going, all right?
Yeah.
So I was thinking that we'd start off by having this like a little table.
Cut it.
I'm gonna cut it because it's you have to be really careful with the Stanley knife, okay? So we're gonna cut like this. The idea is we want to get a few levels. So obviously the boxes, although they're quite strong, they're probably not strong enough to do levels. So the idea is then I can climb up on this chair onto the table, and on here we're going to make like a tunnel along the top here. So let's have a look at this and see. So I think one of the things we want to do is make this taller. This whole thing is really quick. So let's see how this is going to work. Safety first. Let's keep those scissors off the ground. So, you ready? And slide that on top. We're going to cut some holes through, aren't we, Maija?
Yeah.
So what do you think of that?
Nice.
Nice. We're going to have some sort of slide come down here. Where's the slide? So, the idea is this board comes down here. So what we want is a nice tunnel like that. So that. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut just from that handle like that. Curve here. Like that. So put that back into that. So what do you think of that? Okay, okay. We need something to catch the slide to stop it from, keep it safe basically. We're going to clamp it on either side of these, aren't we? So there's various ways in which you could clamp something to the seat. Move out of the way, Maija. So we're going to have to make that bigger. Just stuff that was lying around the house, but the idea is to set that bit of plastic. So do you want to go through and show them? You can slide down.
Yeah.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Keep going through. That's it. That's it. Oh. So there we go. That's the first bit. And then we have here. We have the table, don't we? So let's see. So this is the work area. So next thing is you want to build up on the side, don't we? That's your table. You need box on there, yes, you can climb up like that and go in there, through there, and then we're going to have some sort of tunnel. What about if we cut in an edge here, keep that up? So if we do this, 1 second. So any ideas, Maija? Like that. Make sure you got lots of boxes, cut different holes in them, place them together to make tunnels, spaces, and even levels. Is that possible? Can you get in there? You do a hole in the top. there. You go in there. What do you think, Maija? And then slide down the slide. So what else do you think we need, Maija? Should we have this as a little window? Okay, go in there and sit in there. Getting in there. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Is that cool? I think we're nearly there, are we? All that's left to do now is to go around and tape all the boxes together. Make sure it's all sturdy and safe. Yeah, ice cream please, yeah. What do you think of your house?
I remember this paper's houses, but this paper's house say, what are you gonna do?
So that's our house. We've done a pretty good job, haven't we?
Yeah.
It's a bit chaotic, but the basic ideas are lots of boxes and little doorways and finding ways to get in and out through the different places, isn't it?
Yeah.